Well, we just moved here about a month ago, and we moved from South Florida, and we're excited to come out here to Denver to enjoy the beautiful weather. I grew up in the Midwest, so I understand thunderstorms and, freak weather events, but we thought we were getting away from all the big scary stuff, the hurricanes and flooding and whatnot, so not this time. A contractor actually who was going to potentially work on our house, he had sent us an email while we were still in the airport flying back from Minnesota, and he had said, I saw what happened to your house. I hope you're all safe. And we're like, what happened to our house? We didn't know anything had happened. And so it was actually quite nice that he had sent us that email so that we weren't totally shocked when we saw everything. But it was a little overwhelming, but again, it's a house and it's a tree, so we were lucky we weren't at home enjoying the front patio or front porch when it happened, so we'll be all right. That's just what's so amazing about this little neighborhood in Park Hill is we've only been here a month and we've been really busy with moving in, and we've met quite a few neighbors just sitting on our front porch. And we came home last night. We were flying in from Minnesota to seeing all this damage, and there were several notes from several of our neighbors offering us a place to stay, giving us their phone numbers, their condolences for our tree and our house. So that was really nice.